hidden gem place in Antipolo that serves really good homemade quality apple pies.
Meow guys!
If madalas kang madaan sa Antipolo, for sure nadadaanan mo na tong Village Corner.
May mga establishments dyan sa loob and dyan ko na-discover yung Kusina Berenguer.
Maybe nakikita mo na sila sa mga food market and now meron na silang bistro.
So bago muna tayo mag-apple pie,
Try muna tayo ng other bestseller offerings nila. Let's start with a lasagna. Savory tart yung lasa ng sauce,
flavorful yung meat, and sakto yung ratio niya sa noodles.
Next is the Spanish tapa, sliced into pieces but thicker than the usual Pinoy beef tapa. And please do not skip their house-made achara. It will give your tapsilog sweet tart flavors na you will surely love. They also have baby back ribs, decent serving for its price. I chose the mashed potatoes and ang sarap ng timpla ng potatoes.
Smooth, hindi matabang, and ang buttery.
Yung ribs could be tender pa ng konti. The sauce, bago sa panlasa ko, it's not the usual American smoky flavors ng ribs. Ito may pagka-sweet savory that